Welcome, dear student. Welcome in Bishop Academy online classes. We will started first chapter. This one is revision of the chapter matter in our surrounding. क्लास में मैंने ऑफलाइन में सारे टॉपिक्स को जो भी पहले पढ़ाया था उसको फिर से मैं एक तरह से रिवाइज कराऊंगा. रिवाइज करने के बाद जो बच्चे छूट गए होंगे वो भी थोड़ा देख लेंगे और जिन्होंने पढ़ा हुआ है उनका फिर से रिवीजन हो जाएगा. ओके, फर्स्ट लर्निंग ऑब्जेक्टिव्स. आफ्टर टीच दिस चैप्टर we will teach some topics. Salt is so salty while sugar is so sweet. Next one, ice is so cold while steam is so hot. Oil is so oily while matter is not. Glue is so sticky while jelly gels. Leather is so tough and rubber stretches so well. Leaves are so green while snow is so white. Why does perfume smell? What is graphite? These are the general questions and science have the answer of that questions. Okay, let's start. Today's topic, definition of matter. Matter is defined as a chemical stuff which the things are made. Matter occupies space and has mass. मैंने पहले ही आपको बताया कि जो मैटर्स होते हैं, मैटर कैन ऑक्यूपाई देयर ओन स्पेस एंड दे हैव देयर ओन मास. नेक्स्ट वन, क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ मैटर. ह्यूमन बीइंग्स हैव always been curious to learn the nature and behavior of things around them. To simplify their studies, they try to classify the matter in different ways. First one, ancient method of classification of matter. We told you that in Indian philosophy, it is Panch Tattva by which matter is made up of. Panch Tattvas: Dharti, Jal, Agni, Akash, Vayu. Greek philosopher about 400 BC had also classified matter similarly. Modern method of classification of matter. After the invention of sophisticated modern techniques, scientists have suggested broadly two methods of classification of matter. These are based on physical nature and chemical nature of matter. In the present chapter, we shall discuss the physical aspect of matter. Chemical aspects will be taken up in other chapters. There are two classification of matters. First one is physical and second one is chemical. Your subject is chemistry, that's why we will discuss about chemical aspect of matter. Physical nature of matter. After thorough investigation, scientists have arrived at the conclusion that matter has the following general physical features. First one, matter is composed of particles. We will give you some activities, some practicals about this one. The particles of matter are very small. Next one, there is space between the particles of matter. Okay, one activity which is later on this slide, both two topics will be related to that. Okay, this one you can see water, sugar cube and sugar dissolved in water. There are three things. I told you that matter made by small particles, and second one is space. There are some space between them. Firstly, we will dissolve the sugar cube in water. The level of water will be arise, and after some time when we dissolve it or when we stir it with the help of glass rod, the sugar totally dissolve in the water. What it says, क्या कह रहा है, क्या बता रहा है? It says that matter will be made by small particles. First one, अगर ये particles नहीं होते तो disappear कैसे हो जाते? Second one, there is some space स्पेस है तभी शुगर क्यूब्स जो है वो टोटली गायब हो गए. समथिंग इज देयर वाज ए फिलोसफर नेम इज कनाद. वैशेषिका सूत्र में इन्होंने बताया कि एवरी मैटर मेड बाय स्मॉल पार्टिकल्स दैट इज नोन एज परमाणु, अल्टीमेट पार्टिकल्स. सेकेंड वन, 1808 Dalton proposed atomic theory and he states that is an atom which is the smallest part of the matter. Experiment was already told you. Next one, I discuss about there are 6 test tube and we take 10 solution of KMnO4. First one have 9 ml, next one 9, 9, 9 and so on. In every test tube there is 9 ml except first one. We add KMnO4 1 to 2 crystals. We told you that activity कि यहाँ से हम 1 ml water लेंगे. After 1 ml water we add here 1 ml water. फिर इसके डिसॉल्व होने के बाद वी विल टेक 1 ml ऑफ वाटर. 1 मिनट. वी टेक 1 ml ऑफ वाटर फ्रॉम हेयर. फिर ऐसे ही हम चलते जाएंगे और हाँ 1 ml फर्स्ट से लिया गया, फिर सेकंड में, सेकंड से फिर से 1 ml एट थर्ड, ऐसे ही हम चलते जाएंगे. इन 6 we can see the intensity of KMnO4 will be lighter in 6 test tube. We can say that there is some space also in the matter. That's why this one is the intense KMnO4 and the light color will be arise from here, and intensity of purple color will be reduced from 1 to 6. We can say motion of the particles of matter. ये दूसरा टॉपिक है. फर्स्ट वन I told you there is some space. I told you that matter made by small particles. Next one, motion of the particles of matter. Particles of matter are continuously moving, that is these particles have velocity and possess kinetic energy. अगर ये मूव करेंगे तो इनके पास अपनी वेलोसिटी होगी और हम इसको निकाल कैसे सकते हैं? We can produce it by half mv square. एक्टिविटी, एक और एक्टिविटी मैंने आपको बताया था कि टेक 3 beakers and 20 ml water in it, add first one ink, second one ammonia solution and third one take 3 beakers. First beaker have water, second have also water and third one has ammonia solution. अब फर्स्ट बीकर में वाटर है, वाटर में हम क्या डालेंगे? सबसे पहले इंक को डालेंगे, नेक्स्ट में हम क्या डालेंगे? फिर हनी को डालेंगे एंड थर्ड में जिसमें हमने अमोनिया सोल्यूशन लिया हुआ है उसमें हम फिनेप्थलीन डालेंगे. अब तीनों अलग अलग ऑब्जर्वेशन हमको मिलेगी. फर्स्ट जो होगा उसमें क्या होगा? इंक है एंड इंक विल बी डिजॉल्व. सेकेंड वन हनी विल बी डिजॉल्व but not rapidly, but in ammonia solution when we add phenolphthalein will be dissolved rapidly, where we can say very quickly. अब इससे हम क्या सकते हैं कि जो मैटर होते हैं और पार्टिकल्स जो होते हैं उनके पास उनका अपना मोशन होता है. ये एक्टिविटीज क्लास में मैंने आपको समझाई है और इससे हम प्रूव कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट वन, कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ अट्रैक्टिंग एंड सेपरेटिंग फोर्स. दो फोर्स होते हैं, एक अट्रैक्ट करता है एंड सेकेंड विल बी सेपरेटिंग फोर्स. द अट्रैक्टिंग फोर्स डिपेंड्स ऑन द नेचर ऑफ पार्टिकल्स एंड द interparticle separation of the substance. When the interparticle separation is large, the force of attraction is weak. The attracting force is strong when the interparticle separation is small. The attracting force is called cohesive force also, means we can say कि अट्रैक्टिंग फोर्स कोहेसिव फोर्स भी कहा जाता है। सेपरेटिंग फोर्स क्या होता है? द सेपरेटिंग फोर्स डिपेंड ऑन द काइनेटिक एनर्जी, we can say half mv square of the particles of matter, which depends on the speed of particles. Next one, the particles moving the high speed have large kinetic energy, hence the separating force is also large. We can say if it is separated, the responsible force is kinetic energy, that is half mv square. Next one, effect of temperature on separating force. टेम्परेचर का क्या रोल रहता है? व्हाट इज द इफेक्ट ऑफ टेम्परेचर इन सेपरेटिंग फोर्स? इफ वी गिव द एनर्जी in the form of heat, then the velocity will be high, and the velocity will be high, kinetic energy will be high. That's why it is cause separating force. And increase the temperature increases the molecular speed, which is turns increases kinetic energy. Therefore the separating force is larger at higher temperatures than at lower temperatures. All doubt we will solve in next video. Okay, thank you.